fourth question, children. What is the fourth question? Write the following numbers in their standard form. Now, what is the standard form? You have to add all the place values of the number and you have to write the number. Now, see, children, here by looking at the number, that is by looking at the commas placed here, you can identify whether it is an Indian system or in the international system. So here the comma is placed every 2 digits. So this is in the Indian system. So next thing you have to see is the highest place value of the given number. What is the highest place value of the given number? Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a 6-digit number. So this is the highest place. This is the highest place of the number. It is a 6-digit number. When it is a 6-digit number, the highest place will be lakhs place. Now, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now see here, children. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. We have already identified that this is in the Indian system. So this is lakhs. Okay, lakhs place. Now place the numbers. This is highest place value. This is 8. So write 8 in the lakhs place. Next comes 90,000. 90,000, that means 9 comes in the 10,000s place. Then comes 8,000. 8,000 means 8 comes in the thousands place. So here do you find this here? Next comes the hundreds place. Do you find the hundreds place here? You don't have any 100. So write 0. Next comes 60. 60 means tens. 6 tens, 60. 60 and 2 is in the ones place. So the standard form of the given number is 8,98,062. So this is the standard form of the given number. This is the standard form of the given number. When you are writing the standard form, see the highest place value, then identify whether the number is in the Indian system or in the international system. Then write down the places and then place the digits according to the places. Then you will get the number. This is the standard form of this number. Now see this next number, children. Here also you have to identify seeing the highest place value. Now you will identify that this is in the international system by looking at the commas. By looking at the commas, you will understand that this is in the international system. Now see the highest place value. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits are there. Now write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits are there. So when it is in the 7 digits and it is in the international system, give the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. This is in the international system. So next comes 100, 1000. Next comes millions. Now place the numbers. 4 is in the millions place. So 4 million. 4 million. Place 4 in the millions place. Next comes 60,000. Is there any 100,000 here? You don't have any 100,000. So 0 in the 100,000s place. Next comes 60,000. 60,000 means 10,000s place. Place 6 in the 10,000s place. Next comes 7,000. 7 in thousands place. 8 in hundreds place. Then comes 4 in tens place and 3 in ones place. This is how you write the number, children. Now, what is the standard form? Now, write them 4, 0, 6, 7, 8, 4, 3. Now, place the commas. Now, you read the number 4,067,843. This is how you write the standard form of the given number. Okay, children? This is our next question, children. So in this question, he is asking you to identify the greater number and the smaller number. That is, here you are comparing the numbers. How you will compare the numbers? Now see, children, first thing you have to do when comparing the numbers is count the number of digits in the given numbers. Here 2 numbers are given in the first question. So count the number of digits in the given number. So here you have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. And here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. So one number is having 4 digits and the other number is having 6 digits. So the number having more number of digits, that is the number having 6 digits will be the greater number. The number having 6 digits will be the greater number. So you will place the greater than symbol there. Now see here, next one, count the number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits you have. Both are having 5 digits and both the numbers are same. When both the numbers are same, you will place equal to. Okay children, equal to. Next comes the next digit. Now see, count the number of digits in both the numbers. Here you have 6 digits. Here also you have 6 digits. Now when you are having equal number of digits, first thing you have to do is identify, that is observe the highest place value. Observe the highest place value. The highest place value here is 100,000 place. So both the digits are the same in the highest place value. Next also, next highest place value also same digits. So you have to observe the immediate next highest place value, that is the thousands place. Here in the thousands place you have 7. Here in the thousands place you have 6. Which is greater children? 6 or 7? 7 is greater. So the number having 7 will be the greater number. Okay children, this is how you will identify the numbers. Next count the number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also 7 and here also 7. So compare the highest place values. First highest place value is millions place. This is a international place value system. So this will millions place. So in millions place both the numbers are 1, and see in the thousands period also the number is the same, 817, 817. Next check the hundreds place. Hundreds place you have 4 here and you have 9 here. Which is more children, 4 or 9? 9 is more. So the number having 9 will be the greater number. So you will place a less than symbol here. Now you understood the children how you will compare the numbers. First thing you have to do is count the number of digits. Count the number of digits. The number having more number of digits will be the greater number. After that, if both the digits, that is both the numbers are having same number of digits, compare the highest place values. Highest place values. The number the number which is greater in the highest place value will be the greater number. This is how you compare the numbers. Understood children? Now let us move on to our next question. Now let us do our next question children, arranging the numbers in ascending and descending order. See the question which is given here. He is asking you to arrange the given numbers in ascending order. Ascending means, ascend means going up. Ascending means going up. Now when you are comparing the numbers, what I said, first thing, going up means a small number to big number. You have to write from small number to small to big. Okay, you have to write from smaller number to the bigger number. Ascending means small to big. Now what is the small number here? Now when you are comparing the numbers, what I told you, first count the number of digits. First count the number of digits in each number. Now here how many digits are there? 6. Here also 6. Here 5. Here 5 and again here 6. So the numbers having less number of digits, that is this and this number are having 6 digits, but these two numbers are having 5 digits. So first compare these two numbers. Okay, both the numbers are having 5 digits. So in this 5 digit numbers, okay, now which is the greater number? Which is the greater number? Both are having same number of digits. Now compare the highest place values. Here the highest place value, that is the 10,000 place. Here in 10,000 place you have 1 and here in 10,000 place you have 5. So which is more? 5 is more or 1 is more? Okay, so 1 is less. So you have to write the smaller number. So smaller number will be the number starting with 1. Write down. So okay, this will be the first number. Okay, this is a 5 digit number and the first number, and then next bigger number will be the next 5 digit number, that is, okay children, so we have completed this number and this number. So what are left out? Here this one and this one. All the three are having 6 digits. All the three are having 6 digits. So compare the highest place values. Here in the highest place value you have 4, here you have 2 and here you have 3. So out of the 3, that is 4, 2 and 3, which is the smaller number? Which is the smaller number? 2. So you have to write the number starting with 2. So write down this number. 217. Okay children, so we have completed this number also. So the next one is starting with 3. So 3. Okay children, now this also we completed. So what is this last number? That is the bigger number, 4. In this way you will compare the numbers and write down. So first thing you have to do is count the number of digits. Write down the less number of digits, that will be the smaller number, because you are writing in the ascending order. Ascending means small to big, small to big. So the first smallest number will be this one. Next smallest number, 54,873. Okay. Next compare the 6-digit numbers. Then after in the 6-digit numbers, you have to compare the highest place values. 2 is in the highest place value, so this will be the less number. So this will, next comes 3, the number starting with 3 and the number starting with 4 will be the greater number. This is how you arrange in ascending order. Here it is descending order children. The next question, arrange in descending order. Descending means coming down. Descending means coming down. That is from big to small, and this is from small to big. This is from small to big and this is from big to small. Now here also the same way, when you are comparing the numbers, first count the number of digits. The number of digits. The number having more number of digits will be the bigger number, and the number having the less number of digits will be the smaller number. Here see, here this number is having 6 digits. Okay, this is having 4, this is having 6, this is having 5, and this is having 6 digits. So the number having more number of digits, that means this number is having 6 digits. Okay, this number is having 6 digits and this number is having 6 digits. So out of these 3, which is the greater number? Which is the greater number? Now compare the highest place values. Now in the highest place values, this number is having 9, this number is having 7, this number is having 7. Out of 9 and 7, which is more? 9 is more. So the number starting with 9 will be the greater number. So the number starting with 9 will be the greater number. Let us write. Okay children. So we have completed this number. Next, these two numbers are also having 6 digits, but the starting, the highest place values are the same. Here it is 7 and here also it is 7. So now compare the next highest place value. Next highest place value, this number is having 1, this number is having 0. 1 is more or 0 is more? So 0 is more. So the number starting, 0 is less, sorry. 0 is less. So the number starting with 1. 1 is more. So the number starting with 1. So write down. The highest place value is 7 for both the numbers. The next highest place value is 1, 6, 3, 5 and 4. Now over this we completed, and the next number will be this one. Okay children. Okay, now we have completed these 3 which are having 6 digits. Next comes this number is having 4 digits, this number is having 5 digits. So the number having 5 digits will be the next greater number. So write down 3, 7, 4, 6, 5 and then 4, 8, 3, 9. That is 4,839. This is how you write the descending order. So ascending order means from small to big. Descending order means big to small. Okay children, this is how you compare the numbers. This is how you compare the numbers. Now let us do our next question children. Now form the greatest number and the smallest number using the following digits given. Now see here children, if you observe here, few digits are given for you. Like each digit is separated by a comma, that means they are the individual digits. When you are given the individual digits and asked to form the greatest and the smallest number using all the digits given in that, okay, how you have to arrange the numbers and form the greatest and the smallest number. Always keep in mind, Always keep in mind, see here how many digits are given, 5 digits are given. Using all these 5 digits you have to form the greatest number. So for forming the greatest number, what you have to do, remove the commas. First thing is remove the commas when you are writing the greatest and the smallest number. When you are writing the greatest and the smallest number, remove the commas and arrange the numbers in descending order. When you are arranging these given numbers in the descending order by removing the commas, you will get the greatest number. How to do that, let me tell you. Now here this 8 is the bigger number. After 8 comes 5, next 4, next 2, 0. Okay children, this is how you form the greatest number. So these are the numbers given, these are the digits given, individual digits. I have removed the commas, and arranged these numbers in descending order. When I arrange the given numbers in descending order, you will get the greatest number. Now, how to form the smallest number? This is a 5-digit number you are forming, children. Now, you have 0 in the given number. When you have 0 in the given number, if you write 0 first, like, let me tell you, 0 is the smallest number. Now, if you arrange the numbers in ascending order, that becomes the smallest number. So when you are arranging these numbers in ascending order, 0 comes first. But if you place 0 first, that becomes a 4-digit number, because when you write 0 before any number, 0 will not have any value if you write before a number. So what you have to do, children, you have to write the next bigger number to 0. What is the next bigger number to 0? 2. Now write down the digit, that is next write 0. Now this becomes a 5-digit number. You can arrange these numbers 4, 5 and 8. So children, this is also a 5-digit number. So if you write 0 first, this becomes a 4-digit number and it is wrong. Okay, it becomes a 4-digit number. Okay, but here you have to form 5-digit number using the given digits which are given. You have to use all these digits and form the number. Okay, so when you are arranging the numbers in descending order, you are getting the greatest number, and when you are arranging the number in the ascending order, you will get the smallest number. This is how you will form the greatest and the smallest numbers using the given digits. Okay children, this is about the practice time which we have discussed. Let us meet in our next session with another new topic. Okay children, have a nice day.